Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your credit card knowledge with Citi Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the basics of credit cards. Take time to learn key terms like interest rates, credit limit, and annual fees. Visit the official Citi Bank website for valuable resources. Explore the educational section dedicated to credit cards. Read articles on topics like managing credit and building a good credit score. Enroll in any available online courses provided by Citi Bank. These courses often cover everything from basics to advanced strategies. Utilize Citi Bank's budgeting tools available on their platform. These tools can help you track your expenses and manage payments effectively. Consider signing up for alerts and notifications. This feature helps you stay updated on your account activity and payment dates. Familiarize yourself with the different types of credit cards offered by Citi Bank. Understand the benefits and rewards associated with each card option. Join the Citi Bank online community or forums. Engaging with other users can provide practical insights and tips. Practice responsible credit usage to build your understanding of credit management. Make small purchases on your credit card to gain hands-on experience. Timely payments will enhance your credit score and knowledge of credit management. Review your credit card statements regularly. This will help you understand fees, interest charges, and payment schedules. Consult with a financial advisor if you have specific questions or concerns. They can provide tailored advice based on your financial situation. Stay informed about credit card regulations and consumer rights. Being knowledgeable in these areas will empower you as a credit card user. By following these steps, you will enhance your credit card knowledge with Citi Bank and make informed financial decisions. Embrace learning and take control of your credit journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.